Yo, what's up everyone? Today we're talking about how to get free lunchboxes and money in Fallout Shelter. Guys, look of this modded version of Fallout Shelter Plus is already installed on my mobile devices. To get unlimited amount of lunchboxes, all you need to do, you must enter amount as you want. And this video tutorial I will show you step-by-step tutorial how this application works. Okay, after complete this, press next, press generate button, and now everything is already generated so for our account. So wait to complete and look of this. Now I get free lunchboxes. So how to get this application for your mobile devices, Fallout Shelter Plus. It's easy, go to comment section, find pin comment with another video where link is this comment section. I will show you step-by-step tutorial how to install this application for Android or iOS devices. Enjoy and thank you for watching.